If you like these stories and you want to follow the giants along on their adventures, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you.
Tell me a giant story.
Every summer up on the giant mountain, the giant children could see fireworks coming from the village down below. The village was full of normal-sized humans that didn't know that the giants lived up on that mountain, because the giants were very secretive and did not like to be seen by normal-sized humans. Fireworks are so cool. They're so bright and fun and loud, and most of the time the giants like to watch those fireworks. Ernie, the youngest giant, Applepeachbanana, the next youngest giant, Bo, the second oldest, and Luna, the oldest giant children, all enjoyed the fireworks now. But back when they were younger, they had some fear towards the fireworks. I'm going to tell you about the time that Applepeachbanana got over her fear. You see, when she was just a teeny tiny baby giant, which actually was pretty big because giants are big even when they're little, she would be sleeping, and then the fireworks would go off and they would be really loud and wake her up from a nice dream. So she became afraid of that loud firework boom. Luna would come in to comfort her and snuggle her back to sleep. But the next morning she remembered how scary that loud boom and those bright flashing lights were. Luna and Bo explained to Applepeachbanana that they were fireworks and they were set off on purpose and they were actually really cool. Now she wished she had seen them. So when the next summer came around and it was going to be firework night, Applepeachbanana took a nap during the day so she could stay up late and see the fireworks. All day, all she could talk about was how excited she was to see the fireworks. All day up until a couple hours before the fireworks show was going to start. Applepeachbanana said, "I'm scared of the loud noises that the fireworks are going to make." "Yes, they are loud noises," Luna said. "But if you just watch them, I promise you'll love them." "Yes, but the loud noises are going to scare me," Applepeachbanana said. "I have an idea." Bo was thinking hard of ways that Applepeachbanana could watch the fireworks without being scared. "You could wear headphones on your ears. That way, it will block most of the loud sounds from your ears so you could still hear them a little bit, but they won't be so loud." Luna said, "Bo, that is such a good idea. I think I'm going to wear earplugs myself." Bo said, "You know what? That was a good idea I had. I'm going to wear earphones over my ears." Applepeachbanana said, "Yeah, okay, well that helps with the sound, but what about the flashing light? It's going to be too bright for me and my eyes won't be able to take it and I won't be able to see it and then maybe I'll go blind." Luna comforted her with that. "Oh, Applepeachbanana, it is bright, but it's not that bright. It's way brighter during the day." Bo had another solution for Applepeachbanana. "Oh, Applepeachbanana, you know what you could do? You could wear sunglasses and watch the fireworks with sunglasses." Luna said, "Well, that's kind of silly, but I guess it makes sense if she's afraid it's too bright for her." Applepeachbanana said, "Yes, I am going to wear sunglasses tonight when I watch the fireworks. I'm going to wear sunglasses and earphones over my ears. That way, I won't get too scared from the flashing and I won't get too scared from the loud sounds." The giant children got digging for some sunglasses for Applepeachbanana to wear and some earplugs and earphones for them. Ernie had no idea what was going on because he was way too young to understand that the fireworks were going to be that night and what fireworks even were. He was going to go to bed far before the fireworks show even began. But he still wanted to hang out with his siblings while they were all awake with him. So he also started digging. Once all the earplugs and earphones were found, and Applepeachbanana found a pair of sunglasses that fit her, they got them out on the counter so that they would be ready for when the fireworks show began. Now, they just had to wait. "Oh, when are the fireworks going to start?" Bo asked. Mom Giant explained that the fireworks wouldn't work properly if it was still light out, so they had to wait for the sun to be totally down and the sky to be dark. "Oh, that's in forever," Bo said. Bo had a really hard time waiting for something when he was excited. And to be honest, Luna and Applepeachbanana also had a hard time waiting. To take their mind off of having to wait for the fireworks show, they played a game of hide and seek. Then they played Don't Tip the Tower and did a puzzle on the floor. When it was getting close to when the fireworks show was supposed to begin, Luna said, "Oh, you guys, you know what I want? I want popcorn to eat while we watch the fireworks." "Yes, popcorn, me too," Bo said. They begged their mom to make popcorn. They didn't have to beg very hard because their mom was excited about making popcorn too. Mom Giant and Luna Giant popped some popcorn on top of the stove while Bo melted some butter and got the salt out. Applepeachbanana got out a big popcorn bowl. So when the popcorn was done, they put it all into the bowl and mixed it up. Now they were truly ready to watch the fireworks. Except Luna remembered that the year before, when they were out watching the fireworks, the mosquitoes were terrible and they kept getting bit. It's very distracting. When you're trying to watch really cool fireworks in the sky, and you keep having to swat at mosquitoes. "I'm going to put on long pants and long shirt to stop those mosquitoes from biting me," Applepeachbanana said. "I don't want to get bit by mosquitoes either," as she marched off to get dressed. She came back wearing snow pants, a winter jacket, and a winter hat. "There, now no mosquitoes will bite me." Luna said, "Yeah, no mosquitoes will bite you, but you might be hot." "I don't care," Applepeachbanana said. "I'm wearing this." So, dressed all up in winter gear, grabbing her earmuffs for her ears and her sunglasses for her eyes, Applepeachbanana followed Luna, Bo, Mom Giant, and Dad Giant outside, holding the bowl of popcorn. Since Ernie was so young, he had already gone to bed for the night. But since Applepeachbanana took a nap earlier on in the day, she could stay up late. Mom Giant threw down a picnic blanket for everybody to sit on, and they all got munching on the popcorn as they waited for the first firework to show up. The first firework was purple. It was huge and it lit up the sky. Then there was another firework, and then they just kept coming one right after the other. There were some that were blue and yellow, and some that were silver and red. And as the show went on, the fireworks were coming faster and faster. There were even some shaped like smiley faces, and some of them would pop up in the air, explode once, and then explode in tiny little explosions after that. Applepeachbanana was wide-eyed the entire time. I don't think she blinked even once. When the fireworks show was over, Luna looked over at Applepeachbanana. She looked so happy. Luna moved Applepeachbanana's earpieces and said, "Did you like it? Was it cool?" Applepeachbanana just nodded and finally said, "I didn't like it. I loved it! I can't wait for next year's fireworks show." Applepeachbanana spent the rest of the night laying in bed talking about her favorite fireworks and how much she loved it and how next year she might even watch the fireworks without earphones or sunglasses. It was totally worth staying up late. The end. Good night, Giants.